Alright, we're here today at Drone Champs. We just got done with our Maker Faire event. Great event. Thank you for Maker Faire. Ethan coming out, showing everybody what Maker Faire is about. We were building drones, flying drones, simulator, the whole 9 yards. Now we're on to our drone race, our tiny whoop race, micro drone race M65 series, which is for 65mm drones only, whoops. That's what that stands for. And we got a money race today. 25 bucks for the winner, 15 for second place, 10 bucks for third place. You get your money back. So here at Drone Champs, we want to elevate racing. We want to make sure that you're out there improving your skills, and we want to make sure to see you on the winner's circle. So make sure that you're practicing. Come on down to Drone Champs. Check out our website. Thank you, Lomax Visions, for this great video. And we'll see you on the next flight.
Who am I speaking with right now? Who am I speaking with right now?
This is Jared, Red Cam FPV.
All right, Red Cam. So how are you doing tonight on this race?
Doing good. I haven't been able to practice that much recently, but I'm just trying to get used to the sticks again.
All right, what are you racing?
Racing this 65 that I built, and it has a little rotating LED up here. Yep.
All right, so after that last race, what place are you in right now?
Not sure, but probably like last or second to last, because I accidentally forgot to connect my controller to the drone, so it didn't take off that other round. But I think the first round I got like third place.
Last but not least, who are you looking to overtake? Who's your biggest threat on the track?
Justin.
All right, mine guys.
Mine guys.
All right, got it. Good luck. Gear up and get ready for the next race. Who am I speaking with?
Miguel.
Miguel. Your Instagram is?
Jessa is 12.
All right, what are you flying right now?
I think it's a 65. This is the shop's, not mine. I'm just borrowing it for the time being.
How'd you do on this last race?
I did it better than the first one.
All right, so we're gearing up for race number 3. Who are you looking to overtake? Who's in your way?
Anyone?
Facts right there. Facts right there. All right, you got this. Race 3's coming. Ready?
Yep.
Are you dialing in yet? Are you dialed in?
It's getting there. It's getting there. I haven't touched my whoops forever because I've been doing other drone stuff. But good to know that they are still in functioning order and they haven't broke on me.
All right, so what's your lineup? Which two are you using?
The lineup, here's the lineup. These two, I got backups on backups. Third one's in work in progress.
All right, and what place did you take this last race?
This last race, I think I took third, but I'll take that because midway through my headset powered itself off, and I had to power it back on.
All right, so who are you gunning for on this one? Who's in
Gunning
your way?
for, I would like to have a lot of good battles with Akon. He's been pushing me in this entire course, getting faster and faster lap times, and yeah, it's been a good friendly rivalry going on.
All right, so you fired up?
Getting there.
Getting there. All
Getting
right.
there. It's heating up still. It's still heating up. We're on our second race, coming in the third race. We'll see if my changes, all my equipment is getting warmed up, I guess. I'm not having any issues anymore, so that's good.
All right.
Yeah.
Game face.
Game face, game face. Just gotta be stoic about it.
Get locked in. You got this.
Yep. Get in the mindset. Mindset.
Yeah, it's good.
How'd you feel after that race?
Just trying to keep it steady, you know, get it going faster and faster with each race as I feel more and more comfortable. Yeah, it was a good race. I half a second from second on that one.
You're definitely dialed in.
Thank you.
Make it out there on the track.
Yeah.
Nice finish.
So you definitely have Justin in your sights. It was neck and neck.
Yeah, we traded faces 4 times there. It was a good race.
All right, you ready for race 4?
Oh yeah.
All right, all right. All right, launching.
Behind. It's fine. Miguel, are you in here?
He's in there. He's behind you.
Right there.
You missed that, Justin. You got to do that again.